Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the essential components of a computer and their functions. First up, we have the Central Processing Unit, CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer. It processes instructions and performs calculations at incredible speeds, enabling your programs to run smoothly. Next is the Random Access Memory, RAM. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data that your CPU needs quick access to, ensuring fast performance while you're multitasking. Now, let's talk about the storage drive. This is where your data lives. You can choose between a hard disk drive, HDD, for more storage at a lower cost, or a solid-state drive, SSD, for faster access and performance. Lastly, we have the motherboard. This is the backbone of your computer, connecting all components and allowing them to communicate with each other. In conclusion, understanding these components can empower you to make informed decisions about your computer. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.